We'd like to welcome every person to our first hackathon.
How we see the future, not only with blockchain, but how we see technology evolving.
It's money that can belong to anybody.
Es muy fácil poder incursionar y poder ser parte de Cardano, ustedes como estudiantes.
Espero que sí más estudiantes incursionen más en esto de blockchain y Cardano.
We have gotten some students that came here, watch a conference, and find out something interesting, and then they build applications.
I list it for 1,000. Someone tries to give me 500. That's going to return false right there.
We are living now in the fourth industrial revolution beginning. Everything is to be made, and you guys have us if you need anything.